targets, power trick or treat.
Alright people, I got a powerful video here on Amazon. Greater than 200% gains in options, large price options. I want to show you that, but huge gains. We'll talk about the gains, okay? And I do this video to help motivate people and to teach people and to show people the power of having skill and the right mindset, and how much my channel and being in my group can help you. So let's talk about this plan I posted. This is where to get in. There are two different options I talked about. There were the 1,800 calls for Amazon, the March 22nd. Let me click in here. So on the first plan, I was going to start to use the 1,800, but I changed it over to the 1,750 calls. However, I told people we can get into both. Okay, so just to show you here, at the time, okay, this was March 11th. March the 12th at 12:27 p.m. when I made this chart. See right over here? So on that day, if you go to March the 14th on your charts, you'll see that Amazon was in that price range at that time, okay? And the options, as you can see, they were worth about $160 for these options, okay? I'm going to show you the outcome today, though. So pay attention here. So great outcomes on both options, okay? Okay, where we cashed 100% gains and then held runners. So these are the runners making the gains, okay? This is not the whole position, but the runners making the gains. So let me close this up here now. All right, so here's this Amazon update plan. This is the one where you're going to see the 1,750 calls, the 1,750 calls, right? So we're going to go in here and we talk about the targets to test 1,770 to 1,800 to even higher quickly, right? So we had targets. Now look what you can see here. The price on the close was $1,686, okay, for Amazon. Now, these calls, the March 22nd, the 1,750 calls on the closing day were $330. So you must understand that. Okay. Now, we're going to look at the confirmation. We had to pay higher for all our options, okay? And then we're going to look at the outcome, and I'm going to show you some of that extra management I did in the group for these 200% gains options as well. All right, so here March 15, Amazon confirmed, because it confirmed the break point that was explained in the charts. We had a break. We got in as Amazon started breaking $1,715, and that's explained on the charts. If you go back, you can take a look. Okay. Now, on March 15th, you can see Amazon confirming with the March 22nd 1,750 calls at $890. Okay, so basically, those options on the 14th, you saw they cost $330. By the time they confirmed my plan, the options cost $890, okay, per option. And the March 22nd calls, the 1,800 calls, confirmed at $220. Okay. Now we're going to go and look at some. We're going to look at some of the some things that I said yesterday and then today as well, holding the runners. So on March 18th, Amazon had moved significantly, and we did make greater than 100% gains. And I have a video on that. You're going to see linked to this video. I said here, place stops at 1,700 on your runners for the 1,750 calls if you have runners, and $200 for the 1,800 calls if you have runners. Enjoy another 100% gain. So basically, I'm telling people, hold on your runners, okay, with the stops, okay. And then I actually made an update. With the 1,750 calls, I suggest more room on the runners, 1,400, because these gains can be a lot higher. I'm telling people, listen. Now, I had a person message me, but that's hard to do. Well, let's look at the outcome now, right? Because everything is hard to do, but if you want to make the gains, you need the skill and you need the experience, and that's what I do. I am the big picture leader, and I help you this fear and mindset, destroy that. It destroys you. I help that. Come to my live streams, by the way. Anyways, we'll talk about that later. So with Amazon, what I'm seeing here, I think $1,200 is better. I even told them to move it more. Okay, it never went to this one at all, but I didn't want to miss the gains. I'd rather get stopped out and lose $500 on an option than to miss the gains that we missed today. And I want to show you that outcome now, okay? Because this is March 18th, right? So we're going to go into it, right? We're going to go into this, right? So 23 hours. Let me go here. Okay, Amazon booming higher pre-market, right? Amazon stops for 2,200. Okay, that's how we started, because Amazon hadn't moved in the morning. This is 6 hours, and now I'm making the video around 3:20 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so the stops were at 22, then at 23, then at 24, then at 25. You can see this, and I talk about this. I'm going to go a little bit higher. Then at 26, right? Okay. Then at 33. Then as high as 36, okay? I'm going to show you the outcome. Also, the 1,800 calls stopped out at $900 per option if you were in. I was in these ones, but if you people that were in this, that was maximum. So you're 200. Anyways, I'm going to show you everything. So we got stopped out here, and let me show you. I'm going to show you the actual. You can see it in the charts as well. So let me show you that right now. Give me 1 second here. All right, so here I have the Amazon charts when I took the snapshot. These are the March 22nd calls. Okay, right over here, March 22nd. And right over here is the 1750 calls. And you can see they're practically $4,000 a piece, 4K, okay? So that's greater than 200% gains in large priced options. Of course, I didn't get this, okay? See this $3,900? That's what they were at this point in time, okay? They actually even went higher, over $4,000 a piece. We got stopped out at $3,600 an option. That's 200% gains. I got 200% gains, a bit more than 200% gains, okay? So for every option, so our options that cost $890 went to as high as $4,000. And that happened from the confirmation on March 15th on Friday, held to today, with March 22nd calls. To make money like this, you need a different mindset. Study this video, study my YouTube channel, come to my live streams. This is powerful information I'm showing you. Do not hesitate to study what I'm telling you, okay? Give me a second here. Let me show you the 1,800 calls, just for you to see. All right, so here's the 1,800 calls here. March 22nd, 1,800 calls, over $1,000 a piece. So what's that mean? Your $220 options hit a high of 1,000. Of course, we did not get the 1,000 using stops, but we got 900. 900 was easily attainable following my rules and explanations. Okay, I have a video that'll be linked to this video that shows you the Apple and this Amazon trade. And again, these were the only two we focused, both huge wins. Okay, again, I am a much focused trader than what's out there. There's a lot of people that say a lot of things, but they have no skill and cannot do what I've just demonstrated in these videos. Okay, two huge winning plans. That's all I posted in the group to take. We were only taking Apple and Amazon. Anyways, so far for that from last week. Okay, so give me a sec here. All right, people, another great thing I want to talk about, this is Power Trick or Trade. Study this pin tweet, how to become a member inside our Power Group Trades right over here. But some of the gifts, I had many different gifts. We got something here from Dinesh, okay? Let's click this over here. Send a $200 gift for Amazon. Alex over here sent a gift. Wasn't necessarily for the Amazon trade, the $250, but it was for, really being appreciating what I do for the group. Same thing with Lewis. He actually missed the Amazon trade kind of by fear, right? And was kicking himself for it. But you know what? He right over here, he's learning, right? He's learning, right? But he sent me gifts and he's done really well, Lewis. But he wanted to send something as appreciation for the work I do, to point things out, to point out the weaknesses people have, and to keep teaching and preaching and helping people succeed. And he's been doing well, Lewis. All right, Lewis. And Dexter, the superstar, 2 gifts. Okay, let's click over here, right over here. He made a killer in Amazon. Dexter, right over here. $322 gifts now. By the way, this is an additional gift from the gift he sent for the Apple and Amazon, which he's already in. So he sent, really, in totality, people here, $650 gift in totality. This is broken up in two. Yesterday he sent it as well. Do you want to document that? Ashpad just sent a member sent me a gift as well. Michael sent a gift of being in the group. Okay. This is the one. Eric sent a gift that was for Apple, but listen, we're not talking about Apple here. And then again, this is the one I was talking about for is it here? See, yeah, here's the other Dexter gift right over here. See the same $322, right? March 18th. Okay, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades. Confirmation is key. Study this created playlist. Okay, this is a wealth of great information. Come to my live streams. If you get a Twitter account, I'm going to put Twitter information. Power Target Trade on Twitter, right? I'm going to have that information in the video as well. Come to my live streams. I'll be posting those. I do them usually on Wednesday. I'll post if I do them at Wednesday, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Study this created playlist. This is a powerful group, what I'm doing. No one's ever received this kind of help, and there's more, and I can't explain everything in this video, but what you're seeing is powerful ways of making money with options, okay? In great price stocks, instead of being a little pebble trader, penny trader, a scared trader, we make gains with skill, and I prove this in these videos over and over and over again. There is no cost to be in my group. It's for you to succeed, and then you send me money because you're making great gains. It's a different concept. At the end of the video, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you easy ways to subscribe. I'll see you on the other side.
Power Target Trades. Power Trigger Trade.